Come test drive the 2019 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, perimeter alarm, roof rack. Inside you'll find lane departure warning, trip computer, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, cargo net, tinted glass, compass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.